And I was just totally blown away, like how quick, how fast that happened. And I wanted to share actually, as you were sharing, Sophie, the power of having, like a book is, I didn't expect this, but this last book, which was the first one I put into paperback, because my first book is still only Kindle, but I still hold the candle of getting that into paperback as well. But this book, I had the physical copies in my hands on winter solstice last year, which just felt like a very cosmically aligned moment. It's like, oh my God, winter solstice, and I've got these books now in my hand. And it was also kind of directly related to what become to understand about Avalon as well. And then somehow this one of the books that I was that I think I yeah sold to someone went into someone else's hands, and then that person was like, oh, I want to have a session with you. And they read my book in a weekend, and then they were like, I want to have a session with you. And then suddenly, like, they become like a really big client. And I was just totally blown away, like how quick, how fast that happened. And that was like a client that I'd asked for more money than I've ever asked for, and had more money kind of come into my bank account in one go for like 10, 15 years actually. I was just like, oh my goodness, wow, that's incredible. It's just like people talk about that, but I would never have imagined it would have happened so quickly. And that just totally blew me away. So I wanted to share that as a benefit. Another benefit that I've witnessed more recently is just being invited on this Magdalene pilgrimage. And yeah, I wonder if I hadn't written the book also, whether that would have happened. There's like many kind of repercussions and ripples that go out. Because people are like, yeah, this is someone who's serious. They've got something to say, they're saying it, they're sharing it, and they're leading. And okay, where do they fit into the plan, right? Or maybe they can come and talk or do this here, or oh yeah, like that's like you're just owning it. You're allowing that to happen. You're in surrender mode, and it is something tangible. It is literally something tangible because you could have given, I don't know, 100 workshops in the last 10 years, but it's all just memories and great memories for sure. But if you channel some of that energy into books, that's a tangible thing that sits on a bookshelf in someone's bag. You can gift to people you love. You can sell at any point, bring in cash, and that can also be a step in towards working with you, a step into your business, into a funnel. And I know that can sound kind of like cheesy and salesy and markety and all that kind of stuff, but it really is just sh kind of showing like a journey of like, right, first thing is you get some knowledge, you get the knowledge from the person and like that helps them in their life. And then like, wow, actually, I'd like more of whatever this is. Can you help me? And then that can be the next step to coming to a workshop or a retreat or working with you one-on-one or whatever it is that, funding or something. It could, it can manifest in so many different ways. Or can you come and speak at my conference or whatever, right? So it's big stuff and I love it.